Good morning guys, in front of me is HMD Pulse Pro and let me show you how to change wallpaper. First of all, enroll the list of all apps and open settings. Then find and select wallpaper and icon, click on wallpaper and style, and now select change wallpaper. Choose the album from which you want to select your wallpaper. It can be one from your own photos, on-device wallpaper, or here you will find online wallpapers once you are connected to some network. Let me choose one from on-device wallpapers. You can click to see how the particular photo looks on both home and lock screen. So let me preview this one. And if you want to set it, just tap on confirmation mark. Then decide if it's for your lock screen only or both home and lock screen. And that's it. As you can see from now on, you've got this brand new picture covering both home and lock screen on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.